Hi there, I'm back, and I'm back with the third product in the Safe Haven 5 Starter Kit. Okay, if you remember, the Safe Haven 5 Starter Kit is 5 products that will allow you to clean 90% of your home with just these 5 products and water. That's pretty amazing, right? And you'll be able to clean 99% of the bacteria off of those surfaces in your home as well with just microfiber and water. How awesome! So the third product is our dust mitt. Okay, and what's unique about the dust mitt is that it works by static charge. So you're either going to use your other hand, charge it up this way. If you have 2 mitts, you can use both of them together and rub them together to create that static charge. Or if you have our rubber brush, which is a wonderful product as well, you can brush the mitt off and create that static charge. Okay, and what's going to happen is when you're dusting the surfaces in your home, that static charge is actually going to attract the dust, attract the dirt to the mitt. Okay, you're not smearing dust all over, it's not flying up in the air, you're not moving it from here to here, it's actually going to cling to the mitt because of that static charge. Okay, it's fantastic. I love dusting off my furniture, my blinds, banisters in my house. Okay, I usually use this dry. Okay, when I'm dusting, I use it dry. Another great way to use this dry, I have not done it, but I've seen pictures and heard people say it's wonderful for getting sand off of feet. So day at the beach, you don't want to drag a bunch of sand in the car. Bring your dust mitt with you. Rub out, get all the sand off of everybody before they drag it all in your car. Fantastic. Uses to when you want to use it wet or damp. Again, you don't want it soaking wet, so you're going to get it wet, wring it out. Springtime's here and you want to start opening up your windows, but your screens are all dirty. Take this mitt, go over your screens, get into your windowsill, and you'll be amazed at what comes off of there. Okay, take it under the sink, under the faucet, rinse it off a little, and hang it up to dry. And it has the back lock as well, so remember that's that silver that's going to self-purify the mitt within 24 hours. You don't have to worry about bacteria, anything growing in here. You don't have to launder it as often, okay? I'm going to demonstrate a couple things for you that I do in my home. First thing is I have some flour on my cutting board here. Oh goodness, I'm losing my camera here. Okay, there we go. So this is our large cutting board. Again, we have a lot of products for cleaning, but we also have a ton of self-care and household sustainable products, safe products, okay? This is the large one again. It comes in a large and a small. It's made out of rice husks, so it's biodegradable. It's very solid. It's very scratch resistant. It has a silicone. I'd flip it over and show you, but there's a silicone on the back, so it's not going to slide all over when you're cutting. It's dishwasher safe. These are great. They're amazing. You can either hang it up with a little hole, or if you put it, I lay mine standing up. It's easy to grab and get it out of the cabinet. Okay. So again, this flour is my dust. I'm going to charge up my mitt, get that static clean going, and I'm going to show you how I easily pick up all my dust, and it's in my mitt. I didn't spread it all over. It didn't go flying everywhere. It's in my mitt till I take it outside and shake it off a little bit. Isn't that wonderful? Well, stay tuned. Okay, here I am. I'm going to show you dusting off my banister, how wonderful it is with the mitt, because you can really just go over it, right? You can grab onto things that you need to dust, household plants, and then you can even do the base here too as well. Okay, and here's my kitchen light fixture. I guess I haven't done this in a while. And I'm holding the camera, mind you. If I wasn't holding the camera, it'd be easier. But really getting that dust off my light fixture here. Again, if I had 2 free hands, I could hold the light fixture. It's kind of moving around on me. But basically, you get the gist that you can kind of get into anywhere with this, right? And then I'm going to take this outside. I'm going to shake it off. Okay, cleaning my blinds. I usually close them, go over them this way. Go ahead, flip them the other way. Go over them again on the other side. If you wanted to take more time to do it, you could actually grab onto each one of the blinds and do them individually, whichever way you prefer.